What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today I don't even know what the hell we're doing today. We have a lot to do. Finally moved the Part Z because that thing is finally gonna get out of here. We are getting ready for some big shit to happen. So if you guys follow me on my TikTok, I finally got the last part for the 1UZ swap S14, which is the radiant fuel pump hanger for the S14 fuel tank, which is right here. It basically just pops in and you wire all your wires, and that's pretty much it. We'll be making a video of dropping the subframe, switching out the diffs. I do need to get one more axle out of the 350Z. I just need to get this thing out so we can start working on Jose's car, because Jose will be taking this spot so we can start finally doing the SR build while we start doing the K swap on the Miata, because this car is almost done. Once this car is running perfect, this car is going back home and we're starting on the K swap Miata. That's why we have a K series that's been sitting there for 2 years. Alright guys, it's the next day. Happy Easter to everybody. This video will probably be uploaded on Easter Day or Monday. So yesterday we were cleaning up the shop. We finally took out the Part Z 350Z back in the shop because we are finally going to be doing the upper control arms on the 350Z. The reason why we couldn't do it last time is because I did not have this tool. And I also said, like, I didn't know what we were doing in today's vlog. So in the last couple of videos, we had this part just chilling until we got this tool right here, because you need this tool to take off the sleeve off the original control arms. The only thing is we won't be able to do the alignment today because it's Easter. But it's going to be cool putting these on. It'll be my first time putting these on. Jose bought a tool to max out the camber arm so we can get as much camber as possible, because that's what she wants. We're going to lift up the 350Z, start putting on the upper control arms. If you guys never done this before, well, I'll show you guys how. We finally got a new jack. Jose made the decision to take money out of my bank and get us a new jack. I'll take it from here. You got all the wheels off, I'll do the other stuff. Time to start taking these upper control arms. Hopefully I do not have to take the coil off. I've seen people struggle taking the coil off because of how the bolts are. Like usually the bolt will reach all the way out here and people can't take it off because of that bolt. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna see if I can do it without the bolt, without getting the bolt all the way out, or without taking the coil out, because that is my biggest concern. My other big concern is this right here, because I do not have a tool to pop this off, but I think the tool that we just bought will help us pop this off, because this is a ball joint into another sleeve, but we have to get the other sleeve off. So let's get started. Jose is gonna explain all this shit with this little goddamn device.
From what I understood.
From what he understood. So explain to your subscribers, Jose, our subscribers, what this device is.
This measures your camber. You put it on the rotor. It's magnetic.
Example.
You put it on the rotor before you start working, and it gives you your camber reading. Well, what you're supposed to do first is you go get your actual printout of your alignment. To see
We got our printout,
yeah,
so
we got our printout.
We can show them.
It's at negative 3.7. So whenever we put this on there, I came up to 4. You have a little fine adjustment right here you can move, and that moves the bubble. So we are getting it to 3.7 or close as we can. Make sure you jack up the wheel to simulate it being on the ground. Once you have that to where it needs to be, take it off, and then you go ahead and do your repair or change out the part you need.
All right, that's a pretty cool tool. So I did the other side. We didn't do the measurement like Jose said because he wasn't here. I was just putting everything on. I got confused on which arm is which, and I figured out what arm is what. If you guys are getting confused on what arm is what, look how much further back this arm is. And what you want to do is get the other arm, kind of want to like mock it up and see if it lines up with it. The other arm stuck out more this way, so that told me that arm is for the other side. I took the hood down so I could put that up there. All right, we got a new light because our light blew out. So guys, I'm gonna show you how to do this. I saw a lot of people on YouTube having problems taking out these bolts, and it was not hard. Like, people just make things harder than they are. Work smarter, not harder, right? Well, what's that saying you said at work? If you ain't doing it right, well, if you're
struggling, you ain't doing it right.
Yeah, exactly. We don't struggle here, maybe a little. But let me show you guys how to take these out without taking the, your coil out. Because I've seen a lot of people take the coil out for no reason. All right, so these are 14 millimeters right here. Now we're gonna take off this cotter pin and break this nut. This is a 19. Damn, it already broke loose. Damn, that one came off easier than the other one. So what I did is just wiggled it. Actually, you can probably turn your coil like that. Hit it in the boot and it's out. Easy. Ooh. Now we gotta get this thing out real quick. All right guys, you're gonna need the sleeve off of your old upper control arm, which is right here. Look how bad this arm was. Super wiggly. Basically what you do is, you need to slide it under there. Basically press it. Be very, very careful because this will pop and shit will fly. So hopefully, like that. I was fucking scared. But yes, you need this. All right, one more thing. If you guys are having trouble with these, putting them back on, they do squeeze down to make it easier to put them back into the car so you can squeeze them. That's how you put your upper control arms on. Super easy. Didn't take more than 20 minutes. Oh, my back. Now we gotta use that tool Jose got. We're gonna put this bad boy on and see what we're at. We were at like negative 3.7.
Yeah.
Let's see what we're at now.
4. Well, pretty much stay the same.
Oh, we're the same. Damn. Now we gotta take it to alignment. Throw some tires on it. You can see the camber. It's little. We won't know how much camber she's actually running until we take it to alignment. Oh my gosh, she's way lower. She's a little lower.
Baby, come take me on a day in your fans truck.
It's trash. It's trash. Oh yeah, she got camber.
fuck. I feel like all my
Oh yeah, this thing looks real good. Real good. Oh yeah. Alright guys, if you like today's video, don't forget to leave us a like, a big fat like. Don't forget to comment and don't forget to subscribe. We're almost at 200 subscribers. Help us get to 200 subscribers. I think that'll be it for the 350Z content. We are completely done until we get the KBD kit, the wrap. We have more stuff to do on it, but we're gonna chill since we've been throwing out videos of the goddamn Z. I don't even have time to work on my car. But in the next video, we will be finally trying to turn on and get everything ready for the 240. Like I said, I have everything now to get this thing turned on. I don't know if I showed you guys, but we got the last part. Jose will show you guys. You can take all of it out. But yes, this is the fuel hanger I've been wanting to get for a good minute. This will be going into our OEM fuel tank. This was the last part that I needed. We are ready to turn the vehicle on, or try to get it on. I don't know, it might blow up, who knows? I'm scared.
When it blows up, we have
What's that?
all these NISSAN.
Oh my god. Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog coming out soon.
That I'm fucking up. Baby, come take me on a day in the Benz truck. Find her to sleep. Yeah, I guess it's just my bad luck. My baby gonna act like she dumb, but you wanna